No. Why did I say that?
What happened?
My boss smiled at me and said, "Congratulations!"
That sounds like good news.
It was. I got promoted. Everyone was smiling. Everyone looked so excited. Then my boss asked, "So, Mila, how are you feeling?"
And?
I looked at everyone, took a deep breath, and said, "I'm happy."
That's not wrong. But was that really everything you were feeling?
Exactly. I wasn't just happy. I was excited, proud, relieved, a little nervous, and honestly, I wanted to scream with joy. But I only knew one word: happy.
And that's a problem millions of English learners have. They know exactly how they feel, they just don't know how to say it.
Hi, everyone. I'm Ethan.
And I'm Mila. Welcome to English with Mila and Ethan, where real conversations help you speak real English. Today, we're talking about something every English learner struggles with: expressing feelings naturally in English. By the end of this episode, you'll stop describing every good moment with just, "I'm happy." Instead, you'll learn natural expressions that fit the moment perfectly.
Mila, can I ask you something?
Go ahead.
If I asked you yesterday to name 5 feelings in English, how many could you answer without thinking?
Happy, sad, angry, tired. That's all I've got.
Don't worry, you're definitely not the only one. And today, we're going to fix that, one real conversation at a time. Let's go back to your office for a second. Your boss just said, "Congratulations, Mila!" What happened next?
Honestly, I just stood there, smiling like an idiot.
That's completely normal. Then what?
My coworkers started clapping. One of them said, "You must be thrilled." I smiled, but inside I was thinking, what does thrilled mean?
That's a great word. Thrilled means extremely happy. Not just happy, the kind of happiness you can't hide.
So, when I got promoted, I wasn't just happy. I was thrilled.
Exactly. Let's compare them. If someone gives you a cookie, you might be happy. But if you finally achieve a dream, you're thrilled. Big difference.
Poor cookie.
The cookie tried its best.
Okay, I'm already replacing one word. What's next?
Then another coworker looked at you and said, "You should be really proud of yourself." Do you remember that?
Yes, I understood every word, but I never use proud when talking about myself.
Many English learners don't, but you should. If you work hard and finally achieve something, it's perfectly natural to say, "I'm really proud of myself."
You know what? I've never actually said that before.
Then say it now.
I'm starting to feel like I've been using the wrong words all this time.
Not the wrong words, just the smallest ones.
So today, we're upgrading my emotional vocabulary?
Exactly. Okay. Let's go back to that moment one last time.
close your eyes for a second. You just got promoted. Everyone is clapping. Your phone is buzzing. What's the first thing you do?
Call my mom. Immediately.
I knew it. And what would you say?
Mom, I got promoted.
Would you say, Mom, I'm happy?
That actually sounds weird now.
Exactly. What would you really say? Take your time.
Excited is what you feel when something amazing is happening right now. Perfect, because excited is what you feel when something amazing is happening.
So, thrilled and excited aren't exactly the same?
Very close, but here's an easy way to remember them. When something incredible happens, you feel thrilled. When you can't wait to enjoy it, you feel excited. And the best part? Sometimes you can feel both at the same time.
Really? So I don't have to choose just one?
Exactly. Real emotions don't come one at a time. Neither should your English.
Okay, let me try again. When my boss congratulated me, I wasn't just happy. I was thrilled, excited, and honestly, a little nervous.
Now that sounds like a real person, not a textbook.
But we're missing one very important feeling. The one people usually feel after weeks of stress suddenly disappear.
Oh, I know that feeling, but I don't know the English word.
Then you're about to learn one of the most useful words. Relieved.
Okay, one more question. After you got promoted, what happened when you got home?
I took off my shoes, sat on the couch, and just stared at the ceiling.
That tired?
Not tired. It felt like all the pressure I'd been carrying just disappeared.
Exactly. That's one of my favorite English words. Relieved.
Relieved. I like how that sounds.
Imagine you've been waiting for exam results. You're nervous for days. Finally, you open the email. You passed. What's the first thing you do?
I'd probably say, oh,
Exactly. That little is the sound of being relieved.
So, if excitement says, let's celebrate, relief says, it's finally over.
Perfect. You just explained it better than I could.
So, on promotion day, I wasn't just thrilled. I wasn't just excited. I was relieved too, because all those late nights finally meant something. So, on promotion day, I wasn't just thrilled. I wasn't just excited. I was relieved too, because all the... I wish someone had taught me English this way years ago.
Well, we're making up for lost time.
Can I test myself now?
Absolutely. It's time for our favorite game. Ready?
Always.
Your friend wins a national singing competition. You say, I'm happy for you. Can you make it sound more natural? Pause for viewers to think.
I'm excited for you?
That's possible, but there's an even better answer. You could say, I'm so proud of you, or I'm thrilled for you. Those sound much warmer and more personal.
Okay, I definitely need more practice.
Don't worry, we've got one more. Ready for round 2?
This time,
I'm gonna win.
We'll see. Here's your sentence. After months of job interviews, I finally got hired. You say, I'm happy. Can you make it better?
I'm thrilled.
Good. Anything else?
I'm proud of myself.
Excellent. One more.
I'm relieved. Because all the stress is finally over.
Now that's a natural answer. Not one feeling, 3 feelings. Just like real life. That's how real conversations work.
Today's conversation taught me something. Learning English isn't about finding bigger words. It's about finding the right words.
Exactly. Because every feeling has a story, and every story deserves the right words.
Thanks for spending time with us today.
If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe to English with Mila and Ethan, where every conversation helps you speak English more naturally.
We'll see you in the next episode. Until then, take care and keep speaking English.